Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wireless mouse on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Microsoft Modern Mobile Mouse. The Microsoft Modern Mobile Mouse is a sleek and compact pointer designed for travel and style. Its thin, credit card-like form factor, weighing 78 grams with batteries, makes it easy to carry around and use on various surfaces. With Bluetooth connectivity and 8 available colors, it caters to users looking for a convenient and aesthetically pleasing mouse. However, its minimalistic design may not be suitable for all grip types, and it lacks extra buttons or extensive configurability. The mouse features a left button, a right button, and a non-tilting scroll wheel. While the scroll wheel's push-in button can be remapped for specific functions like key combinations or macros, the overall usability is geared toward basic tasks. Number 2. Logitech Lift. The Logitech Lift is an ergonomic wireless mouse specifically designed for users with small to medium-sized hands, offering an option for those who might find larger mice like the Logitech Mix Vertical uncomfortable. Available in both right-handed and left-handed versions, it addresses the needs of left-handed users, although color options may vary. Featuring a vertical design, the mouse places the hand at a more natural 57-degree angle, commonly known as the handshake angle. This angle, which deviates from the typical horizontal positioning of traditional mice, is considered more ergonomic. However, the vertical design raises the hand above the desk, potentially requiring users to adapt to this new position. Precision tasks may be impacted, especially for those accustomed to a standard mouse, making the adjustment period essential. Number 3. Logitech Mixmaster 3 Siemens. The Logitech Mixmaster 3 Siemens is a premium mouse that offers excellent value for its price due to its ergonomic design and a plethora of features geared towards enhancing productivity. Featuring a comfortable and sculpted design, the 3 Siemens stands out with its electromagnetic scroll wheel, a dedicated thumb wheel, and extensive customization options. One notable feature is Logiflow software, allowing seamless connection switching between 3 different devices, along with the ability to carry clipboard contents across them. While not the most affordable option, the Mixmaster 3 Siemens proves its worth for users seeking enhanced productivity and a feature-rich mouse experience. Number 4. Microsoft Arc Mouse. The Microsoft Arc Mouse offers a more ergonomic design compared to the modern mobile mouse, prioritizing comfort. Its contoured shape encourages a palm grip, and the mouse is designed to feel comfortable in the hands. However, it does sacrifice certain functionalities, such as a hair trigger button that lacks physical differentiation between left and right click zones. Additionally, the mouse lacks a traditional scroll wheel, which may not suit all users. Priced at $80, the Arc Mouse is a more expensive option, but it remains relatively affordable within the ergonomic mouse category. It retains some advantages of the modern mobile mouse, including a lightweight and compact body, multiple color options, and easy portability. It can be flattened to fit into bags conveniently. Number 5. Razer ProClick Mini. The Razer ProClick Mini stands out as a versatile productivity mouse with gaming-grade features. Offering a high maximum DPI of 12,000, a 1,000 Hz polling rate, and 2.4G HD wireless connectivity, it caters to users seeking responsive input. The mouse's quieter switches and compact design make it suitable for office use, while its 7 programmable buttons, 5 onboard memory profiles, and customizable features through Razer Synapse enhance its versatility. Despite relying on all batteries, the ProClick Mini boasts impressive battery life, providing up to 465 hours of 2.4G HD battery life and 725 hours of Bluetooth battery life. Its sleek design and ergonomic comfort make it suitable for both office and casual use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.